You just finished a factory reset, but instead of the welcome screen, you're staring at a message saying this iPhone is locked to its owner. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. It feels like you've permanently broken your device, but you actually haven't. This is simply a security feature called Activation Lock that stays active even after an erase. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to navigate the screen and the specific steps to unpair Find My so you can get back into your phone today. I start by explaining why this security wall appears and how it protects your data. Then I walk through using a web browser to remove the lock remotely if you are already stuck. I also share the specific path to take if you bought the phone used or cannot remember your login details. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have permission from the original owner to use these steps. Attempting to bypass security on a lost or stolen phone is illegal. Follow these instructions at your own risk. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware. This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credits safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code. I want to help you stay calm because that locked screen does not mean your phone is a paperweight. I see this happen all the time when someone erases their data but forgets one specific step. Your hardware is in perfect working condition. This message is just the Find My system acting as a silent guardian to keep your personal information safe. It stays active even after a factory reset to prevent anyone else from using the device. Think of it as a digital padlock that requires the original key to open. I will show you how to use your credentials to satisfy this security check. I use the official iCloud website to solve this when I cannot get past the activation screen on the phone itself. I open a web browser on a computer or another mobile device and go to the sign-in page for my account. I enter the email and password that were originally linked to the locked phone. After I log in, I look for the Find My icon and select it to see a list of all my connected hardware. I find the specific iPhone that is showing the lock message and select it from the menu. I click the option to remove the device from my account. This action breaks the link between the phone and the security server. I face a different challenge if I bought this phone used or simply cannot remember my login details. I start by reaching out to the previous owner if their contact information is available. I ask them to follow the remote removal steps I just described so they can clear the lock from their own home. I suggest they check their email for any receipts from the original purchase if they claim they forgot the account name. I gather my own proof of purchase if I'm the original buyer, but lost access to my credentials. I take my original paper receipt or digital invoice to an official Apple store for assistance. I covered the core reasons why your device shows the activation lock after a reset and how the Find My system creates this security wall. I walked through the remote removal process using the iCloud website and explained how to handle situations involving previous owners or lost receipts. I also detailed the steps for using professional tools to clear the lock status and restore your access. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.